So I'm officially unboxing. This is the box. Says that it's waterproof, you can voice control, there's slow-mo, time warp, you can live stream, you can store photos, it has a card, it has a webcam mode, a couple other things. You know, all of the pieces that you get in this nice case. GoPro, really nice and compact. So we've got your SD card, parts, instructions, things, cord to charge, stand type of situation. Like there's definitely some things that you have to put together. So these might be like batteries. I have to look at what those are. This looks like some sort of a clip, which I'm not necessarily excited about, but it's probably easy. So, and then here, okay, this looks like the media stick portion. I'm over here like, where is the camera? Like, this is the camera. It's so little. Look at how tiny this little camera is. I honestly was not expecting it to be this small. Wow. 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 It looks so nice. It looks so nice. So I guess I have to charge it first. So I did just quickly figure out that you pull at this and pull it up this way going in. And now I should be able to turn it on. Whoa, did it. So it comes with 2 batteries, which is really nice. GoPro. It's like a touch screen. It's got some, install the GoPro quick app on your phone, leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. So we're gonna do that really quick. How exciting that's me. I was able to connect the camera. I need to insert the SD card, but you can see the quality of the camera right here. So it's pretty cool. Oh my God, and you can also see on the front of the camera. Oh, I just switched it to something else. So there's features on here. You can adjust the width. So there's a lot of things for me to explore. Okay, so without even reading the instructions, I figured out that the power button, which is also the mode button, when you press it, it changes the mode. So time lapse, video, photo. Then it looks like when you hold the power button, it powers off, okay? It also came with this SD card. So I'm gonna show you how to put that in. Okay, so I figured out that these little pieces of paper thing on the battery actually enables you to pull the battery out. Here is the SD card. This way. Push it in there. And there's your SD card and the battery. So now when I turn it on, I can actually video. Yes, this is our first recording on the GoPro. Check your media. Swipe up to see the photos and videos on your GoPro. Yes, this is our first recording on the GoPro. Also, I figured out that you pull this down and then, let me just cut it, but you can unscrew this. It lines up. Presses in, and then you put this back. Sits up pretty well. Oh, look at that. So there's our GoPro sitting up on its tripod. Pretty nice.